Hyundai LX City is an all-electric bus developed by Hyundai Motor Company, designed for urban public transportation. It represents Hyundai's commitment to sustainable mobility and reducing carbon emissions in city environments. With the rise of electric vehicles, LX City serves as a crucial step toward greener public transport solutions. This electric bus is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion polymer battery, which provides a driving range of approximately 250 kilometers on a single charge. The battery capacity is around 128 kilowatt-hours, and it can be recharged in about 67 minutes using a high-speed charging system. Hyundai has designed LX City with passenger comfort and safety in mind. The bus features an advanced air suspension system that helps absorb shocks and improves ride quality. The interior is spacious, offering ample seating and standing room, making it ideal for busy city routes. Additionally, the bus is equipped with modern safety features, including an anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic stability control ESC, and an advanced driver assistance system ADAS, which helps prevent accidents by providing alerts and automated braking when necessary.